Welcome to the Greenhouse Gases and Climate Change unit. In this video, we're going to show you a solution to having your factory run for a certain amount of time instead of being dependent on the Run Factory button. This is an easy modification of the greenhouse gases model with carbon dioxide in a factory. In this model, after a certain amount of time, the factory starts emitting CO2. And then after another certain amount of time, it stops emitting. And the number of CO2 molecules emitted by that factory each tick is controlled by this slider here. So let's go and look at the code and see how that's done. Here's the code for the factory. This is the only bit of code that's been changed here. Instead of having a when factory run is pushed code block, we have a while forever toggled code block. And within it, there is a conditional statement with a logic block to control for how long emitting CO2 will be called. So when the clock is greater than or equal to 50 and the clock is less than or equal to 75, then call the procedure emit CO2. This is very simple. It just controls this factory. You could control and change these times if you wanted. You could control them with a slider as well if you wanted to be able to control that in the world. So this is a very useful bit of code to use in many different things anytime you want to control something with time. So there you go. That's one solution. Of course, there are many different ways of doing this. Thanks and good luck.